Hey guys, today I'm going to go over one of our databases that is available to our students through the Mesquite ISD portal. Remember, to get on the databases, you have to log into the portal and it's available under the Library Services tab. So the database that we're going to go over today is Britannica ImageQuest. Britannica ImageQuest is available to students in grades pre-K through 5th grade. So I know most of the time when you guys are doing projects, you need pictures. And I see the pictures usually displayed in the hallways that you printed offline. Typically you get them from Google by just searching for whatever topic you are doing. And the problem with that is you want to make sure that you have the rights to use them. So this is a good database to go to because there's no royalties on these sites. So these are good pictures for you to use for your projects. So when you log into ImageQuest, it's very, very simple. And what I've noticed is when I've logged in, sometimes like the frogs are here right now, but they'll have a different set of images the next time you log in, which is pretty cool. So basically all you're going to do is type in what you're looking for here in the search bar. So I'm going to put in brown bear, and it will just give me right here 3,257 images of brown bear. So I can scroll through them and just look at the different options. And if I see one that I want to use for my project, then I can pick it. So I'm just going to select this brown bear right here. And, it gives me the option to add it to my images. Now, I'm going to tell you, when you add it to your images, it's going to recommend that you log in or create your own account. You do not have an account with Britannica. So keep that in mind, that if you choose to set up an account in any of our Britannica databases, Britannica Elementary, Britannica Escolar, and in Britannica Learning Zone, that you need to remember your username and password. And I would make it something very simple. You might even want to make it the same username and password that you use to get into the portal. But you can save all your images. You can download your images to the computer or the device that you're on. You can email them if your parents have an email address, or if your teacher says, email that to me, and I'll print it, email it to them. Also remember that it is really, really important that you cite your source. You give credit to where you found the picture. And so you can click on Cite, and it will ask you, what kind of citation you want, and then it will give you the citation. You can also export them to Google Classroom. So right here where it says to share to Google Classroom, when you do that, you're going to have to pick the classroom you want to. So I'm logged into my portal. It's going to ask you to share to your class, which should be your teachers. And then I've noticed when I pick my classroom, it's also going to give me the option to pick which assignment I want to put it in. So, you might try that. I've never done it, but it says that it is an option there. So it's pretty simple database, boys and girls. I know that you're very smart kids and you can do it, but I want you just to be aware that these are safe images for you to use. We're not going to have any problems with using these images from the people who, took the pictures. And I just recommend that you give this database a try when you are looking for things for your activities. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and have a good day. Bye.